Okay, ready? Hey, what is going on, everyone? I hope you are having a fantastic day. My name is Grant. This is my adorable dog, Molly. And on this channel, you will find lessons every week to help you become a better, more confident English speaker and improve your understanding of American culture. Today is the first pronunciation lesson that I have planned for this channel. We are going to talk about 5 words I hear English students mispronounce all the time. I'm going to explain why and how they mispronounce these words, and I'll explain exactly how to say them correctly, just like a native speaker. So I'm going to put her down and let's get started. First, let's talk about a pair of words, woman and women. Woman is singular, women is plural. There are a few problems here. First, I hear a lot of students say ooman or weeman. They don't get that w sound at the beginning, so you need to make sure you make a w sound. That W can be difficult. And the next letter, even though in the word they both start with W-O, they make different sounds. So the singular form, w-man, woman, woman, it's a W sound at the beginning. The plural one is different. Women, women, women. So, singular, wo-man, plural, women. So, woman, women. Next, let's talk about walk and work. A lot of the times when I'm with a beginner, if they say the words walk and work, they sound the exact same. So to fix this, you really need to emphasize that R sound in the word work. So when you make that R sound, your teeth should come close together but not touching. The corners of your mouth will come a little bit closer together, and your tongue should not be touching your teeth. So, walk, no R, work, there is an R, and that is the most important difference. Next, let's talk about the difference between the Z sound and the J sound. More specifically, let's talk about the words zoo and Jew, like a Jewish person. Often, when students say these words, they sound the exact same. Here is a trick for making the Z sound. Maybe you know that there are 2 types of English consonant sounds, voiced and unvoiced. Here's the difference. For voiced sounds, your vocal cords will move and vibrate. If you put your hand here and make an R sound, you can feel a vibration. Now, unvoiced sounds have no vibration. For example, F. My vocal cords don't vibrate at all. So, to make the Z sound, what you need to do is make the S sound, which is an unvoiced sound, but make your vocal cords vibrate. So your mouth should be in the exact same position that it is for S, but make your vocal cords vibrate. And that is how you can differentiate the Z sound in zoo from the J sound in Jew. The next word I hear students mispronounce is months. This one is difficult. So In order to understand this pronunciation, you need to understand the word syllable. A syllable in English is a single unit of sound inside of a word. Many words are only one syllable, like cat, dog, Grant, the. There's only one sound. But other words like wa-ter, or in-tel-li-gent, they have multiple syllables in the word. So here's the problem. Many English students pronounce months as a two-syllable word. They say monthes, but that is wrong. Months is only one syllable, months. So it's hard, but try to say the entire word as one sound, not two separate sounds. Finally, we have one of the biggest pronunciation problems students have, and that is pronouncing ed when it is at the end of a word. The confusing part with ed is that you pronounce it differently depending on the sound that comes before it. Let me explain. So, in a word, if the last sound before ed is a T or a D sound, you pronounce it as ed, or id. So, started, traded, faded, you pronounce that E sound. However, if the last sound is any other sound, do not pronounce the E. You will only pronounce the last sound. For example, changed, finished. That is the correct pronunciation, not changed, finished. I hear that all the time. I plan on making a full, in-depth pronunciation course eventually that will explain these in much more detail. But for now, a really good way to practice this is to take the word change, pause, and then make the D sound. Change, D. And practice slowly bringing the sounds together. So, change, D. Change, D. Changed. Changed. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, that is all for this video, guys. I hope this helped your pronunciation. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.